Hello everyone. Today I want to show you what happened to my tires after a year and a half of driving. I bought my Citroën C5 Aircross 1.5 diesel in February 2024 and it came with winter tires from 2020. I have driven about 15 kilometers and some point of wheels alignment got messed up. Because of that, the tires were completely destroyed. There is elementary nothing left to them. So I decided to go for a budget option and bought used tires from 2017. They are not new. Two of them are in bad condition and two are okay. I will put two worse ones on the back and the better ones on the front. But the good part of this wheel set that cost me only 50 euros. So the good news is that the entire service cost me only 25 years. After the replacement, I immediately noticed the difference. Even though the tires cost around 50 euros, the result was amazing. The vibration is gone, the anything noise has disappeared, and the grip has definitely improved, which will help me in this winter. I'm very happy with my Citroën C5 Aircross. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you, goodbye.